Priestley S. Cobra from the river was laid yesterday. Most of the people they are very hate, especially actors, they are very hate just because they have got a bond between them. They are very hate more than his family, more than his wives, especially Paulina, who called Paulina from the river. Was very hate. She looked very hate. She didn't cry, Paulina, but when you look at her face, you can saw that person. She is very hate because they have got a bond, especially Tabiso called Murena, because between Kobrizi and Murena, they are like father and son at the river. So they have got a bond. Dimpo, she have got a speech on his funeral. Those people, they are very hate. Cindy Swahlatu, she was there, but she didn't give a speech on his funeral. But Cindy Swahlatu, she looked very hate. And Cindy Swahlatu, she was very hate. Most of the actors, they were hate, especially Warren Masemola. Warren Masemola was crying, and Percy, they were crying just because they have got a bond between them. Because, guys, most of the people, especially the river actors, they worked together with Kobrisi for a long time. They worked together with Priestley for a long time, so they have got a bond between them. So actors, they are very hate, especially Tabiso, who called Morena. He was very hate because, guys, you can be shocked. You understand? Because they don't expect those news. You understand? So most of the actors, they are very hate. Who called Rakadi, who is playing now, also Sweet Maria. Maria, she was crying, guys. They are crying. Most of the actors, they cried more than his family. You understand? Even his wife, she was hate, but people who looks very hate are his colleagues. You understand? They are very hate more because they have got a bond. Because guys, most of those people, they are acting, but they are like family to him. You understand? Those actors, because they were spending more time together than his family. Kobrizi spent more time together with his colleagues more than family, so they have got a bond. Especially Tavizo, I don't understand that boy Morena. Who called Morena? They are father and son, and they are spending too much time together. You understand? Guys, it's so hate most of the times, because the guys, most of the actors, they are hate yesterday. They are hate because they can't believe that Priestley, he is gone. Priestley, he was buried, guys, like a king yesterday, because guys, we didn't see a funeral like Priestley's funeral. Guys, celebrate his funerals like Priestley. You understand it?